Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
cousin, what's up, cousin? What's up?
I know it's been a minute, your girl has been working, but I'm back.
Thank you, Jesus.
Anywho, in today's video, I will be giving you guys this fall glam. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using this Autumn Spice palette that I got from my local beauty supply store for like $3. The first shade I'm going to go into is that dark brown, and I'm going to tap that on my lid. The next shade I'm going to take is that kind of burnt orange, and I'm going to blend that right above the brown shade. And just to add a lighter shade, I'm going to go into that yellow and blend it right above that burnt orange. I'm just cutting the crease with that Juvia's Place concealer. This is kind of, sort of a halo eye. I don't know. But, I mean, I guess. And I'm just blending the outer corners with every shade that I used in my crease. For the first lid shade, I'm going to take this metallic orange color. Then I'm going to go on top of that with this gold shade. And I'm just going to create a wing using the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. Alright, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll list all the products used down in the description box below. And I'll also link this wig just in case anybody was interested in it. that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.